Everyone, this is Chris with Racecar Camp. I'm doing a super easy but very convenient mod to Eric's race car today. We are adding grip tape to the floor pan in order to aid with entering and exiting the vehicle. With that roll cage in the way, sometimes a little grip can go a long way, as you will often be limboing your way into a car. And it's even more helpful in the rain. So I'm just sizing the paper up, purposely leaving a little extra length for trimming later. And then I will mark around the roll bar. Pro tip, it's much easier to cut this grip tape on the back side through the backing paper rather than on the sandpaper side. So here I'm just sizing up the paper, fitting around the roll bar, and then we'll mark a little notch where we want to make the cut around the roll bar. And from here I can also bend the excess off and make a little bend mark so I know what to cut off. Again, cut through that backing paper. You'll see me struggle a little later in the video trying to cut through the sandpaper side as we do some of the little final trimming details. Yeah, that's perfect. Just use some lacquer thinner to clean the pan. And notice there's a depression here that I want to fill in. I have a little bit of this extra thermal barrier stuff that I wipe clean with the lacquer thinner so it's a clean finish for that grip tape to stick to. And then I really just cut it down to fit in the hole. It's sort of like Bondo for the grip tape in a way. Okay, here's a good tip on doing stickers of any kind. See how I have a notch that I want to go around this post. And if I were to just stick this down and try and find it, chances are I'd miss it. So get a couple pieces of tape, blue painter's tape. You're not holding anything on, at speed, so it's just generic tape. Get it positioned where you want it, and then drop your tape right in the middle on both sides. And what that does is that keeps it from moving. And so now I can peel off the backing on one side, get the sticker started, and it just came off my tape because this is sandpaper. LOL. Reset my tape, just give me a little holding power here. Tear this off, lay it down. I'm going to do a couple of relief cuts to match the contour of the vehicle. So the floor has some slope to it and the ridges and whatnot. We got another relief cut here, but I don't have the backing paper off. So now that end is stuck, I just come back, grab the rest of the backing paper, and you see I'm putting it down in the middle for two reasons. I like to start with stickers in the middle and then massage their way out to the limits. Gives you a chance to work air bubbles out. Not that you'll see it on this paper, but just in general. But also I had this cut around the post there in the middle as well. Alright, so here we have another depression. So we're going to do 2 relief cuts. here. And voila, I have no more fingertips. Now there is a little hole in the firewall here, or in the floor pan here. So I'm actually gonna peel this up, cover that hole, and then put it back down. And you need to do that for safety. And we have some foil tape. And this just keeps any flame, in case of an incident, because it's foil, it'll provide a minute amount of flame barrier. And there we go. Seat will go here, and this will help aid in getting in and out of the vehicle. They make little rollers for this so that you can keep your fingertips. I just don't own one. Okay, that's it everyone. I hope you enjoyed. Please consider liking and subscribing, as we'll have more and more as we finish putting together Eric's car.